Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that when that rotating cube collides with a specific character or object in the scene, that will bring it to a stop. Not anything, so now the bullets are, I can choose what I want. I can be specific about what brings that animation to a stop. So that's what we're going to try to do. Alright, let's take a look. Here we are. Alright, so we're back. This should look basically the same. It looks like the display name is back, so I think I might have erased that in the last one, but you can just right click, get display name, and add this back here. So let's do this. What we need to do is we actually need to create a new variable so that we can pick out that we're going to do it with the player's avatar, and we're going to have that player's avatar, when it collides with the cube, brings it to a stop. So let's do that now. I'm going to create a new variable, and we're going to call this collision. I go enter, and what's going to be important here is that it's a text variable. So text, by default it was set to Boolean. I'm changing it to text. It turns pink. This is what I want. So now let's start with this at the top. So we're setting the initial rotation variable in the beginning. I'm going to right click and drag this out here. We're going to set this this character value in the beginning as well. I'm just going to actually run this through there. So on event begin play, it's going to set this character value. Alright, so in the past we had to check this little box to make the rotation true. But over here, this isn't actually a checkbox, this is actually text. So I need to enter in that character object's name here. So let's go find it. So I come over here. I said I want it to be the player's avatar. If we look over here, it should be first person character right there. That's what I'm looking for. When I come down to details, I can see the first person character. This is the actual name that I want to call up. So I'm going to go Control C or Apple C to copy that text. Back to the blueprint, and I'm going to I'm left clicking in that field, and we can see it's not a checkbox, it's actually a text field. And I go Control V. You can see that the first person is in there. I hit enter, and it's fine. Next, what we need to do is I'm going to go down to the bottom of the screen over here. Again, I got this get display name, which I think I erased in the last section, but it's back. And now what we need to do is we got to do a few things over here. We need to create an if-then statement between the collision and this stop rotation. So it's we can determine if-then whether this will bring it to a stop. So the if-then is the branch. So I'm going to go branch. Boom, there's our branch. I put it in the middle, and let's connect it. Just sort of putting it in between. Alright, this is looking pretty good. The next thing we need to do is I'm going to bring out this collision variable so that this will be the character that we just created, and I'm going to do a get variable. So this is going to get the character that made the collision. So that looks good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create an equal string in between here. So it's basically a node. If this equals this, then this is the idea. So I right click, and I'm just going to actually type in the equal symbol. So not the word equal, but the symbol equals, which should be next to your backspace. So I type it in twice, 1, 2. And what I'm looking for is the equal string down here. This is the guy I want. I click on it. This is it. Success. And I'm just going to reposition that. Grab this guy over here. So if the name of the object here is equal to the name of the avatar, which we set from the top, then it will stop it from rotating. So this is the condition. It actually goes into the condition on the branch. So that looks pretty good to me. Let me just check. Looks good. Looks good. Should be okay. So let's compile and minimize this, and then let's give it a play. So I'm shooting something. Yes, I'm shooting. Nothing's happening. All right, this is what's supposed to happen. When I collide with this cube, it should come to a stop. So let's see. Yes, success. So that's it. This specific character in the scene is bringing this cube to a stop.